As a busy school or district leader, you're probably thinking about all the things that you need to tackle. Well, what if there were a product that could support your teachers in these areas? We've got this. Our latest online, on-demand, professional learning experience, Strategies for Maximizing Student Achievement, does just that. And when you enroll every teacher and administrator in the school, it's only $99 for 2 years of access. In this particular title, we cover these topics that are key to maximizing student achievement. And we do it through a set of modules that include text and video choices, infographics, examples and resources that can be downloaded and immediately used in the classroom, and activities that you can use to plan faculty meetings, a PD day, PLC time, or as a resource in a post-observation conference. Our consultants film insight videos to offer up those nuances and aha moments you may not have thought about. And we include tips for using artificial intelligence, for addressing the needs of ELs and special needs students, and for creating those critical homeschool connections. We also introduce the Efficacy Notebook, a structured way of reflecting on learning. And we offer some mindful moments for stress reduction while your entire faculty is looking at addressing all the things. We're in a time when professional learning must move beyond the single PD day or course or workshop into creating a culture of professional learning and conversations around innovation. Well, that's just one of the things that we do here. So if this particular product has intrigued you, if you want to learn more, or if you're ready to leverage it to maximize student achievement in your school or district, reach out, visit our website, or send us an email. You've got to tackle all the things. We're here to help you. Experienced educators who've got your back.